Anya Army, welcome back to Home Base. I am back with another DIY. I have a lot more DIYs coming. I'm so excited to be back doing them. They're my favorite videos to create. So definitely let me know how you feel about this one. Another simple one, but I want to start slow and then we'll get into the really hard stuff. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and meet me in the comments to let me know if you would try it or trash it. This is the skirt that I will be using for this project. I picked it up from Ross. It's just a really cute midi-length white bodycon skirt. I love the fabric and the color. This was only $9.99, so it's steal. The first step is to figure out where you want to add your split detail. I wanted it on my right side so that my tattoo would show through. And then you're just going to fold on that line. Get it as straight as possible. Feel the other side. Make sure everything is laying really flat because you are going to cut. And to cut a straight line, you need as flat as possible, pieces of fabric. The next step is to get some scissors and go in using your fingers as a measurement. Cut about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch wide slits, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches up. The most important thing for this project is symmetry, keeping everything equal width and height. You can use a ruler to ensure perfection, but I found that the fingers work just as well. That's what she said. Once your slits are done, it's time to go ahead and unfold the skirt, flatten out your cutting area. This is a good time to make sure that your slits are as even as you thought they were. They need to be equal height and equal distance. Okay, now it is very important that you pay attention to this part because we're going to get to laddering. First, take the very first slit and the second slit. Put the second slit underneath the first slit. Boom, like so. Okay, now drop the first slit, let it go down. Second slit is in your hand. Pick up the third slit. Put that over top of the first slit, but under the second slit. Pull the third slit through. Now drop the second slit. That's the third one on top. Grab the fourth slit. Pull that on top of the second, under the third slit. You got it? All right, now just keep doing that. Repeat that the whole way down. It kind of starts to feel like braiding. If you know how to cornrow, then you know how to do this. It feels very similar somehow. Make sure your skirt is staying straight. And do you see how it's kind of starting to come together? You look back, it should look like this, kind of a laddering pattern. Finish all the way down through. Alright, and this is what it should look like. So cute. We're not quite done just yet though. Grab those scissors because you are going to need to cut and tie the end. This is so that this whole thing doesn't come unraveled. Cut it straight in the middle. And then tie the two individual tails, I guess you will, around the end there. Alright, and this is what the end result should look like. Tails tied off and the skirt nice and laddered. This is the end result. I think this is so sexy and summery. I love how the tie even pulls it up a bit so it has kind of like a high-low look. It is so cute and simple. Excuse my underwear for showing. My period is on TMI, but we all girls here. Let me know in the comments if you love this, if you would try it or trash it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs and check out my DIY playlist. Bye!